I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone model and OS version so you know where theme controls live. Once confirmed, back up any custom wallpaper or icons you want to keep. This prevents surprises. Now open Settings and go straight to Display or Themes. Different manufacturers name it differently. Tap Themes or Wallpaper and Style to view active theme components. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi if themes are stored in cloud, then tap the active theme to begin removal. You'll now replace the active elements with system defaults to fully remove the theme. First, choose the default or stock theme and apply it. This resets icons, fonts, and colors. Next, delete any downloaded theme package from the theme's app or storage to free space and prevent auto reapply. If your launcher still shows themed elements, clear launcher cache or apply the default launcher and then reboot. Once done, verify widgets, fonts, and keyboard match system defaults. You finish by confirming every UI piece reverted. Icons, font, wallpaper, lock screen, and system color accents. If anything lingers, clear cache and data for the theme's app or your launcher, then reboot. This forces a clean reload. Make sure to reapply the system theme if needed. If removal still fails, boot into safe mode and uninstall the offending theme or third-party launcher. Safe mode bypasses add-ons so removal succeeds in most stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.